So this is my new home. I recently moved in here about a month ago and I finally got almost all of my furniture pieces here. I have my couch, my bed, and on Monday I will finally receive a standing desk, which is very important to me. And I love that in my office on the other side there's a couch with this gorgeous view. So when I'm tired sitting at a desk or standing at a desk, I can sit on a couch and just look at a view. It's very loud today because it's Sunday and there's usually music outside. So if you hear some music, that's what it is. So in this corner of the room, I'm going to set up my office. It's going to be his and her setup, and I am super excited to unpack Desky today. They were super kind enough to partner with me and sponsor this video. And these packages were incredibly heavy. Like, this is real wood. I can't wait to see what it looks like. For the past several weeks, I've been working from the couch and from my bed and from cafes. So I am just so grateful to finally get a desk so I can work from home. So I don't need to go anywhere or ruin my back on the couch. It's time to unbox. I am so excited to do it. Let me put my mic down and we started. These are my assistants. Assistant 1, assistant 2. They're not very helpful. Actually, they slow me down. Maybe I should fire them. So what I love already, it's a solid build, beautiful white oak finish, it's easy to assemble, and there is a cable and data channel so my cords can be organized and the desk can look clean and minimalistic. It is time to go rollerblading.
Let's go.
Okay, it's time to look at the key features, shall we? This desk is incredibly strong. It can hold up to 308 pounds. Watch me literally sit on it while I go up and down. Desky has over 180 combinations for your setup, so you can design it in any style you want. I chose the white oak in size 48 by 30 inches. This one is my favorite. They sustainably source wood free of harmful chemicals, so you can get the best quality for your desk in any style you want. For the leg colors, they have 4 options: matte black, space gray, gray, and white. I chose white for myself. And the best part is their cable management system that you watched me install on my desks earlier. It makes everything look clean and organized. I can also control this desk from my phone. Here I'm testing the height controller. It works very smoothly. There is a lot of other settings in the app, like voice control with Siri, I can set reminders to stand up and raise my desk. I can even control the colors of the panel. I love the yellow one. The height ranges from 23.6 inches to 49.2 inches, which I think will fit everyone's needs. And here's the final look of these beautiful desks. Having this new setup made me excited to wake up in the morning and rush to my desk to work. It is such a beautiful addition to my new home. I'm sure I will film a lot of fun videos from here and build coding projects in the future. Huge thanks to Desky for leveling up my workspace. If you are looking to invest into a customizable but also sustainable and super powerful desk setup, you should check out the links below and build your dream setup too. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.